Hello, dear subscribers and guests of the channel. Welcome to today's lesson. Today we will create a bridal low textured bun in an open work style. This hairstyle suits everyone short, medium and long hair. Enjoy watching. First step, preparing the hair. Before we begin, we need to prepare the hair well. For European hair, blow dry it straight or lightly smooth it with a flat iron. For Asian hair, I recommend full crimping, like a light waffle texture, to create density and long-lasting volume. Work with medium sections, not too small and not too large. Curl the lower half of each strand using the ribbon technique, away from the face. This creates a soft and natural curl. Temple side sections are curled only at the ends. The top must remain smooth. Second step, sectioning. Now, we divide the zones. From the upper corner of the ear, separate the lower occipital zone from ear to ear. If the hair is thick and long, make the line curved like a sad smile. If the hair is thin, short, or medium length, create a straight line. Clip the top section away. Third step, forming the low ponytail. Take an elastic or two if it is wide. Create a very low ponytail so the bun does not rise up. Secure the ponytail with two closed bobby pins on the sides, horizontally. This makes removing the hairstyle comfortable for the client. Spray the ponytail with hairspray and comb it smoothly. Fourth step, installing the bun padding. Choose a padding donut of the right size. I rarely use it whole. Usually I open it and take only the amount I need. For thin hair, a bigger padding works better. For thick hair, medium or small. Place the padding around the ponytail and secure it with pins on the sides. Do not pin from the top or bottom, that will bother the client. 4 pins are usually enough. Fifth step, working with the upper occipital area. Determine the parting depending on the client's preference. Then divide from ear to ear, forming the temple side zones. Make sure the client's chin is lifted evenly. This is important for symmetry. In the upper occipital zone, separate small triangular sections to form a circle or oval. Thickness 2 to 3 centimeters. To hide lines of division, create a zigzag. Sixth step, teasing and preparing the texture. Create a light point back comb only on the upper crown. Do not back comb the lower part, otherwise the hairstyle will become too voluminous and we will lose the shape. Before teasing, apply volume powder. Lift each strand forward at a 45-degree angle. Make a light back comb 2 to 3 strokes. Apply spray wax, smooth the strand and comb it downward. The ends must be clean and detangled. Seventh step, creating rib lines and texture. Use the book technique. Gather the strand with your fingers, fold it like a book and secure with 2 pins on the sides. Now gently pull thin rib lines. Leave 2-finger distance between the lines. Do not create too many, the zone will look heavy. Spray hairspray in short, precise bursts. Eighth step, creating the bun. Now we work on the most important part, the textured bun. Divide the top strands into 3/4 sections. For each strand, 1. Apply powder along the length. 2. Lightly tease from underneath. 3. Smooth the top with spray wax. 4. Shape it into a loop. 5. Pull 2-3 ribs. 6. Pin it into the padding. Rules: neighboring strands must not face the same direction. It's better to make several small elements than one large one. Do not pull more than 3-4 ribs on one strand. First strands should be fixed with pins to keep the airy look. Fill the entire bun. If the hair is too long, twist the ends and hide them inside. If hair is not enough, gently open the side zones for extra volume. Hi, I'm Aiperi Kumar. I reveal world-class hairstyling secrets. Subscribe and never miss a tip. Nine-step temple side zones. Start from the side with more volume. Create a soft root lift. Separate a strand from the brow arch down to the ponytail. Leave a couple of light strands for natural softness. Apply spray wax and comb downward. Form a swing shape with your thumb and secure with 2 downward bobby pins. Repeat on the other side. Tenth step, styling the fringe. Lift the roots with a curling iron or flat iron. Curl the strands at 45-90 degrees, away from the face. Lightly brush, soften and fix with hairspray. Eleventh step, final fixation. At the end, spray the hairstyle with liquid hairspray. This gives up to 24 hours of hold. 12th step, adding the accessory. Always secure the accessory with closed bobby pins, sliding through the branches from top to bottom. Place Thank you for watching. Practice the technique, send your results, and tag me on social media. Your hairstylist Aiperi Kumar.